Welcome to Anil TV Educations. Today our topic is question tags. So here we can make a different types of question tags. How? Here we see a question. What is a question tag? First means a question tag is a type of question form which is added to a statement or invite to the listener confirmation. So by indicating whether they are saying complete answer no with how we can listen by confirmation. So here there are different kinds. So here the meaning of the tag depends upon the annotation. So here rules for framing question tag. There are some rules to form question tag. So here number first one we see an informative statement. So here when the sentence is positive, so we can ask as a question as in negative tag. So here you see example, they are ready, aren't they? So for we are getting here aren't they means whether they are ready or not, we are indicating that confirmation we are getting as aren't they. So here why this, here this is a affirmative sentences. So here in second only the short form, not we are not using aren't is used in the question tag. So here we are not using totally as not, so we are using only short form as nt. So we are not using full form, we are using in the short form. So in third one, a negative statement. So here a negative statements can be changed into an affirmative tag. So how by seeing this example, they are not yet ready. So here the sentence is in negative statement. They are not yet ready, aren't they? So this is the question tags. At last it indicates with question mark. Now fourth statement. So here a suitable pronoun is used according to the subject of the statement. So here whenever the noun is there, it has been changed into plural form. So here how do we see the example? Example, Sania Mirza is not a cricketer. So here Sania Mirza is a noun. So here is there, the sentence is in negative form. So here when the sentence is negative, we have to change in the positive question tag. So here not is mentioned, no. So first we have to write is. So is. So here Sania Mirza is there. So it is a noun. Noun has been changed into plural form means she. So is she. So it has last and it indicates with question mark. So is it she? So here Srinivasa, next example, Srinivasa Ramanujan is a famous mathematician. So here the sentence is in a positive way. So here Srinivasa Ramanujan is a noun. So here what is verb is there? Is. So is. So the sentence is in positive, we have to convert into negative. When the sentence is negative, we have to convert into positive. So is there, is. So not we should add, it is a positive statement, so that's why we are adding isn't. So here Ramanujan is changed into he, isn't he. So now fifth one, the tag begins with the auxiliary verbs so of the statements. So here what are the auxiliary verbs? So here is, am, or, can, or, did, do, all comes under auxiliary verb. Means nothing but it has called as a helping verb. So here example, she can speak English. So here can is a auxiliary verb. So here can. So here sentence is in positive. So it has been changed into negative. Can't. Can't she. So here as this we are not changing this pronoun into another. So we are keeping pronoun as this here. So can't she. So here next example, he did not attend the class. So the statement is in negative. So here not is used. So before that is what is there? Did. So as that what it did. Did he? Question that. Did he? Now listen here. Sixth one. appropriate form of do or does in the simple present tense and did in the simple past tense. So here do and does comes under simple present tense and did comes under simple past tense are used in the question tag when the statement does not have an auxiliary verb or helping verb. So here example, the government oath of officers to minister. So here there is no auxiliary verb. So here it is the sentence in the simple present tense. So it has been question tag is doesn't he, or we can doesn't she, or doesn't they, any ministers may belongs to male or female. So here doesn't he or she, question tag. So here next example, the children have to play with the toys. So here have is I, help is the helping verb is there, so auxiliary verbs are, so it has changed into don't they. So here the sentence is in simple past tense. So here don't they tag is the question tag is there. Seventh one, the positive tag is used for the positive statement. So when we use positive, the statement is in the positive way. When speaker wants to show his or her reaction to what someone has just said by expressing interest, surprise, doubts or agree. So here any expressions. So here you listen example, son said to dad, what? Dad, I got 2 prizes in sports. So here father, oh, it has expressing that explanatory expressions. Oh, you got 2 prizes, did you? So here did you is the question tag. So here it has been indicated as question tag.